Introducing the Kionbink smartwatch, your ultimate companion. Stay connected with calls, texts, and notifications on your wrist. Track your health with 24/7 heart rate monitoring and workout modes. Enjoy up to 30 days of battery life and an IP68 waterproof design. Get yours now and enjoy an incredible 87% off. But hurry, this deal ends tonight. Don't miss out. Order your Kionbink smartwatch now and upgrade your life. Tired of juggling your phone and life? Introducing the Kionbink smartwatch. Make calls on your wrist. Track your health 24/7, plus 120 workout modes. 30-day battery and IP68 waterproof. Ready for anything. Get yours now at 87% off. This deal ends tonight. Click the link to get your Kionbink smartwatch today. Kionbink smartwatch. Stay connected. Stay active. Stay ahead. Tired of tangled wires and low battery anxiety? Let's upgrade your listening with Jezebong earbuds. First, pair via Bluetooth 5. 4 for lightning fast. Stable connection. Find your perfect fit. Select the right ear tip size for comfort and secure with ear hooks. Enjoy clear calls thanks to ENC mics. 48 hours of playtime. They're IP7 waterproof. Get your Jezebong wireless earbuds now and elevate your audio experience. Introducing Jezebong wireless earbuds. Sound amazing all day. Secure fit keeps them in no matter what you do. Crystal clear calls. Hear and be heard perfectly. Up to 48 hours playtime. Never stop the music. Flash deal. Get yours at an unbelievable price. Click now and elevate your audio experience. Tired of tools that fail you? Introducing the KS Tools 1.2, engineered for superior strength and precision. Built to last. Interchangeable heads crafted from alloy steel. Built to perform. Robust dovetail design ensures exceptional torque control. Handles any project, from professional to weekend warrior. Get it at a flash deal, 61% off, for a limited time only. Upgrade your toolbox with the KS Tools 1.2. Introducing the KS Tools 1.2. Superior strength for tough jobs. Precision torque control. 50 pieces to tackle any project, DIY or pro. Interchangeable heads and dovetail design. Get yours today and build with the best. Limited time only. 61% off. Click now. KS Tools 1.2. Halloween just got a whole lot bubblier. Yes! Introducing Halloween bubble guns. LED lights. Day or night. Leak proof. Lightweight and fun for all ages. Get yours at 72% off. Only $90. This flash deal won't last. Add sparkle now. Grab your Halloween bubble guns today. Don't miss this amazing offer. This Halloween, level up the fun. Introducing the Halloween bubble guns. These blasters shoot tons of bubbles. Seriously? It's bubble madness. They're lightweight and spill-proof. Perfect for any adventure. LED lights make the bubbles glow at night. So cool. Get yours for just $9. That's 72% off. But hurry, this flash deal won't last. Grab yours now. Click the link now and make this Halloween unforgettable. Game Day just got an upgrade. Introducing the Memory Company 40 O's tumbler set. Show your team pride everywhere with officially licensed designs. Keeps drinks ice cold for 24 hours or hot for tonight thanks to its insulation. Built tough from stainless steel. Designed for the long haul and ergonomic grip. The perfect gift for any fan. Get your The Memory Company tumbler set today. Don't miss the flash sale. Shop now. Touchdown savings are here. Introducing the Memory Company 40 O's tumbler set. Show your team pride with officially licensed tumblers. Keep drinks cold for 24 hours. Durable stainless steel. Featuring your favorite team's logo. Hot for 10. Normally $82, $16. Now get the 2-pack for just $13. That's 84% off. Game day, gym, or just showing off. Hurry. This flash deal ends soon. Click the link and grab your The Memory Company tumbler set now.